Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got something very interesting for you and very weird. It was something that Thomas, my longtime supporter, sent me this week, and it's not this radio. I bought this radio and did my review about a year ago. This is the Han Dong Ra portable radio, very tiny. I called it a weird radio. And the main reason I called it a weird radio is that it has automatic tuning and storage, but it has an analog dial. So when you go through the memory locations of the frequencies it found, you have no idea what the frequency is. So I just thought that was kind of weird. Like I say, about a year ago, I lucked onto this, and it normally was $40. It was on sale for $12. That was a tremendous buy. It uses a BL-5C cell phone battery, which is only 1,000 milliamps. And my show number 2326 and 2327 is where I reviewed it. The shortwave band is 5.7 to 17.9. It's AM, FM, weather band alert, Bluetooth, MP3, and like I say, it has the ATS function. Pretty cool. It was a pretty cool radio when I got it, especially for the price I got it. Do you remember this? Well, guess what? My good friend Thomas sent me her big brother. Here it is right there. Let me show you side by side. Not only bigger, but it has several additional functions. And it comes with this nice carrying case. Let me open it up for you. There it is. And it comes with a charging cord right there. And this is sold by, here it comes, EMGY Kit. And it normally sells for $45. It's been on sale, marked down to $32 at times on Amazon. It has a 4,000 milliamp battery. It has a crank charger. It has solar charging. It has, and I might be wrong about this, I haven't found it in the manual, it has a USB output so that you can charge like your cell phone. The average review on Amazon of this radio is 4.4 stars out of 5. Good reviews. Comes in two colors, olive and this gray. The olive right now on Amazon is $3 cheaper. I guess they have more of those in stock and want to get rid of them. A compass, a light, very bright light, carrying strap, nice heavy carrying strap, telescopic antenna, which is about 18 inches. There's the dial, which is a little bit easier to read than its little sisters, but it's still difficult. And you can see this is model R11. I've got it on Bluetooth right now, not on Bluetooth. I got it on MP3 player right now. Great music. Change the track back here. Plenty of volume. And like I say, there's 3 buttons here for next track, previous track, pause, start. Also, those buttons are used when you do the ATS. You push and hold the forward button and it will start the ATS. It has 70 memories for each band. But like its predecessor, the little girl over there, there's no way of telling what frequency it's on. There's no digital display. There's no way. That's just weird. They have ATS on an analog radio. That's weird. What else we got back here? Okay, under here, I can get it off easily, which I usually can't. Nope, I can't. I've worn out my fingernails trying to get this open. I get it and it slips right back, which is what it should do, because it seals it from getting water inside. There we go. Finally got it. My gosh. Okay. So there is, watch it close on me. There is the charging port to charge the internal battery, headphone jack. I think it's an external USB output for charging. And then this is where your TF card goes right there. See if I can get the camera to focus for a second. Oh, you were almost there, camera. Catch up. There we go. And then this seals it, so it makes it waterproof. There's a big solar panel. See, it's pretty strong crank charge. Looks like it won't break off. Let me flip this back. Okay, now we have to go to band. So we'll go to radio. Also, you can have these lights do different things. Like on, let me go back to MP3. So it's playing right now. And it's just got the indicator that's in MP3, TF card, MP3 player. And then, see, I think this is the button. Oh, turn the backlight on. There you go. It's got a red backlight. That's kind of dumb. There, it's off. Pretty neat. Okay, let's go back to radio mode. And where is it default to? Shortwave. Okay, these buttons are hard to read. Just have to memorize them. And I can't see it. And I haven't memorized it. Band. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. There is the band select. So now it went to weather band. That should be, and his lights are really bright. FM. And there's AM. Let's go to AM. And we're in the middle, we're top of the band. Oh, okay, it's got plenty of volume. And the music.
Are not attorneys, but they work.
Clock's on pretty good.
Will provide a will and trust at no charge to you. Reach out at 813-755-5000.
Now, as I mentioned before on the little radio when I did a review it, I don't like this tuning knob. I like to have, so I can have my hands around it or my fingers around it completely. This, you just have to use your finger like this. And no big deal, it's just my preference. I did this morning, early in the morning, about 4 o'clock in the morning, I did do shortwave ATS. and it found a lot of stations. A lot meaning it found about 7 stations. So reception is good. I can't imagine what it would be if I had a clip-on wire antenna. So I'm really impressed with this. Like I say, a nice case. I want to thank Thomas once again for sending this radio for review. And I like this radio enough, I'm going to put it in my Amazon store. And if you don't like the regular price, it goes on. Things go on sale on Amazon all the time, and some of the sales don't last very long. Like this one. This one was normally $40, and I got it on sale for $12, and that sale only lasted a couple of hours. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.